Hey there, Jelly Beans. Me, John, coming back at you for another review and my very first collab video. I will be doing a collab video with Dredog. Yeah, girl. He's sitting right next to me. He'll be doing his video next. We are going to be trying out the MIC 1035. That's right, MIC 1035. It's between lunch and lunch. It's between breakfast and lunch. Yeah. It's the Egg McMuffin. It's got the egg and ham on there. Oh yes. As I drop the top part of the egg, the McMuffin part on my shirt. Yeah. Alright, and the other part of this is the double cheeseburger from McDonald's. Oh yes. You take the burger patties and put them on the Egg McMuffin sandwich.
Oh, that's how you do it.
And close it up with the muffin top. Muffin top. Ha 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 ha. And here's what the sandwich looks like. Oh yeah, the MIC 1035. That's right. Oh yeah. Before I try this out, I'd like to give a shout out to Matowix. His link will be down below. He asked me if I will do something from McDonald's. So, Matowix, here you go. MIC 1035. Here we go. I'm going to take a bite. Wow. Wow. Jelly beans, that is amazing. Oh my gosh. That was a nice healthy bite too. That's very good. That's so good. I'm going to give that a 5 out of 5 jelly beans. I'm going to take one more bite for you. I'm going to turn my camera off. Sorry for those jelly beans. It's summertime. I got my window down, no air conditioning in the car, so oh yeah. That's right, one more bite. That's so good, jelly beans. Alright. Thank you all for watching. If you like, please like, subscribe, share, follow on Facebook. Links down below. Have a good night. Peace. Oh yeah, that MIC 1035 was at 6 o'clock at night. Wednesday night. July 19th. Oh, yeah, 2016. Peace.